It's hard to say this about an institution that's been in business since 1993, but the National Yo-Yo Museum is a Butte County icon, hiding in plain sight at its location in the back of Bird in Hand in downtown Chico. Welcome to the next video in our Butte County A to Z Attractions series, where we take an alphabetical tour through popular attractions, hidden gems, and everything in between. Next is Whys for Yo-Yos Galore at the National Yo-Yo Museum. Chico, California is the capital of the yo-yo in the United States, largely thanks to the National Yo-Yo Museum's impact on the sport. And yes, it is a sport, with competitions happening across the country every year. Visitors to the museum can buy yo-yos, learn about yo-yo culture, and even get a free yo-yo lesson on Saturdays. And of course, you have to grab a photo with the big yo. So the next time you're in Chico, make sure to stop by the National Yo-Yo Museum and give yo-yoing a spin.